We have a new feature that some of you may have seen that will sync Canvas to our gradebook. Let me show you how to do that. The first thing you need to do is in your Canvas page, you need to come to Settings, and you need to check that this right here has this weird long number, that your sub account is a school name. If it says manually created course, this will not work. So this needs to happen. Okay. Once you are there, you need to come to your gradebook, and in your gradebook, under categories, these are the categories that you can choose for your assignment group. I've created assignments in every one, so it will automatically push if you don't change anything. But if you want it to be a quiz, if you have a quiz in here, or an assessment, then you'll need to create that. And the way you do that is you go to the assignments, you create a new assignment, or you can edit your assignment that you already have. Right here in your assignment group, you can do assignments, or you can create a new group. So if you had quizzes as one of your categories in Pinnacle, that'll work. If you have interventions, that'll work. And then whatever those categories are is what it'll sync it to. The next thing that you can do is this: include this assignment in your sync. It's automatically checked, so it will sync. So unless you turn that off, then it will automatically sync. I'll show you one more time when you can change that. Now you're going to click on grades in Canvas. This will bring you to your class and all of your assignments. You're going to click on actions and sync to SIS. When you click on this, it'll say which assignments would you like to sync, and you can choose all of them or one of them, however you would like to do that. Now, if you sync multiple times, it will not create new assignments. It'll just update the scores that you've updated in Canvas into Pinnacle, so you don't have to worry about it creating multiple assignments. When you click on it now, you can also change your sections that you have, however you would like to do it. But then you hit post to grades, and when you hit post to grades, now you can see the progress that it's making, and this will take you to this page, and you can see all of these, and they've been completed. If it has a green check mark, then it is done correctly. If it has a red exclamation point, then it is not done correctly, and you can click on it and see, oh, the assignments category on that sync was not set up. On this one, it was set up. So this says that there were no grade changes were found. So I know that I have not updated anything since then. Now, if you go to assignments, a few other things that you can do is if you go to assignments right here, you'll see the green check mark means it will sync. So these are ones that I want to sync every time. If it has a circle with an X in it, it will not sync. You can either change it here by clicking on it, or you can go into the assignment, and where I showed you earlier in that check mark, it will change it. Now, if you notice, it said make sure it has a due date. It will not sync if it does not have a due date. Okay, so this one is not syncing, but it has a due date you can see. You can click on it and it'll change, or we can click it back and it'll change. So that's how you set that up. When you go into your gradebook, it will be there. If it's a new one and it has multiple assignments, it may take 15 minutes. If it is an older one, or if it's one you've already done and you're just updating, it will take a few seconds.